Hello guys, I'm going to show you guys how to sew an elastic waist as you are seeing in this video. So stay tuned. If you're new or a returning viewer, I highly welcome. Remember to click the subscribe button. Hello viewers, welcome to the new sewing hub. So I'm going to show you guys how to sew an elastic waist in a trouser. So this is the fabric that we'll be working with, this one here now. So the next thing that we are going to do is this is just the waist that I want to cut, so that the place I will lay my emphasis on. Although I'm not with any chalk at the moment. So this is just 4 inches, as you can see. Is 4 inches. 4 inches. So I'll cut it 4 inches because this material is by 60. Is 60 length. So I'm going to cut it out because I'll make use of it. So let's get to the cutting. Something like this. So guys, we are done with the cutting. This is actually by length 60. So now let's get to the sewing machine. So guys, we are now in the sewing machine. So we'll be starting from the back side of it. This is the pocket and this is the pocket. We'll be starting from the back side. This is the back side. Then we'll loosen it a bit. So you now place it on your sewing machine. Remember, we'll be sewing just half of an inch. And this is the waist that we have already cut out. So starting from this side. So you sew it round, remember. So anytime you get to a joining like this, anytime you get to any joining like this, so what you do is just you open it. You make sure it's open so that for easy ironing and all that. For easy ironing, it's very, very important. So you're almost at the end of it. Also remember to stitch it. The next thing that you're going to do is this is that same joining that I used. So what I'm going to do next is we also just join it straight. We join it. So let me show you guys what we have gotten so far. See what we have gotten so far, guys. As you see, we have successfully joined the extra waist. So and here is my elastic that I'll be using. This is 1.5 inch elastic. So guys, for the elastic, what I did was the main waist that we are sewing is waist 40 waist. So this one now I removed 10 inches from the waist. That's the elastic now will be 30 inches. That's I minus 10 inches from the waist and I got the elastic. So here is my 15 inches. That's I folded it into two so that you guys can see it properly. So here is my 15 inches. Let me cut it out, guys. If possible, you can also add your sewing allowance because you have to join it. So I added my sewing allowance to the elastic. So after that, the next thing I did was I had to join the elastic together. I had to join it. So here's the elastic that I'll be working with. Wow, so nice. So after that, see the next step that we'll be taking now. This is the waist. We will be starting from the back side to add the elastic. That's that place that you have already joined. So this is it. This is it here now. Have you seen it? This is what I'm doing. Just pay close attention to this video. Have you seen it? I will then fold it. I hope you saw what I did there. Maybe I don't know if my hand was like obstructing your view or something. So like this now. Like this now. You just put it, you fold it with them. That's you fold this hand twice. You fold it twice. You fold it twice. And also you'll be watching this your thread that is here. When you are doing your own video. Like when you be sewing your own, you will see what I'm talking about. That's this sewing that joins this thing here. So this is actually it. So guys, this is it here. I'll just do just a little sewing and so see how I join it. And also make sure that your thread doesn't touch this elastic, because once you touch it, it does spoil will be that thing. So guys, after that, this is what we have gotten so far. So but this is not how we are going to leave it. We are going to like still sew like two more thread, like first one here and another one here. Okay, we are going to like run thread here now, round it, and also here now, round it. Just watch how I start it. Just pay close attention to this video. See how I'll do it. Have you seen where I started the first one? Have you seen it? So you also remember to also like stitch it. Like don't sew round and also sew here. And also when you are sewing it, don't just sew it this way. Remember to like always draw it. As you're sewing, have you seen how I'm doing it? And also make your stitching to be at the down, like it's the lowest. Don't do tiny stitching. Now guys, this is the result we have gotten so far. The result that we have gotten so far, guys. Some elastic. So guys, remember to click the subscribe button.